All right, ladies and gents, I want to take a minute to show you how to do this final step in this folder. You've done a bunch of work coming up with your short story, beginning, middle, and end, all that fun stuff, but now you got to put it together because it's all disjointed. So we're on this assignment right here, and in order to do this part, you're going to need to also have a tab open with your Google Drive. So go ahead, go to your Google Drive. For those of you who need a reminder on how to do that, you open a new tab, switch roles here, open a new tab, hit your little checkerboard and go to Drive. Okay. Now you're not going to have nearly so many folders in yours, so most likely you're only going to have one or two folders, and one of them is going to be your writing folder. But for my purposes, I need to do this guy right here, student writing folder, and I'm going to go over. And then you open this guy right here, and I'm going to go ahead and use a student who's been working away on this. And like I said, you're just going to have your one writing folder, so go ahead, find that, and open it up. Once you get inside your writing folder, go ahead and open a new document. So boom, like that, create and share, and then give it a title. Well, I'm going to call this one Allison's short story. Okay, boom. All right, so start with that piece, and then you go back into this folder, and you start at the beginning, and you're just going to go through, open up each one, and you're going to get whatever you wrote for that piece. All right? You simply copy it down and paste it here. Okay? That's simple. Then you go to the next one. All right? You come on down here. You're going to have a few different steps in mind because, yours isn't exactly the same. Oops, don't want all that. You just want what you wrote. Copy, and then paste. Don't worry if it doesn't line up right now. You can fix all that stuff later. All right. Get all of the different pieces like this. Copy and paste. Here. Copy and paste. And then the last one. Oops, I cut an S off there. Let's put that back in. And then last one, copy and paste. Boom. Okay, so once you get all of that in there, then you need to do a little bit of fixing up before you submit anything. So I'd recommend an easy way to do it. You just highlight the entire document like that. There's this tool in here called Clear Formatting, and that's a pretty useful one. It kind of just changes things around, like it basically gives you just the written word. And then so you can see where you clearly put in your paragraphs, I would also recommend going in here to spacing. That's the one with the arrow going up and down. And then just tell it to add a space after every paragraph. Then that way you can see what your paragraphs are. That's it. And then you come over here, you're just kind of going through all of them. And now you're finally on this page right here where you started. You go ahead and submit a copy. It's okay that it doesn't look that great right now. You'll be fine.